Hey guys, before we get started, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
So it is Sunday for me. This is the day that I get all of my grocery shopping done. So I thought I could bring you guys along with me and kind of give you some tips on how to know what to buy, what to buy. Also, just navigating the grocery store. I just thought it'd be fun. So yeah, so we're about to go on a grocery run. Let's get it. So ignore my neck right now. It's like I didn't exfoliate off all of its fake tan and it's right here on my neck, and I just now realized when I started recording, so at least that's good so I don't like go to work tomorrow and I'm like weird looking. Let's get healthy.
So the first thing I always put on the list is fruits and veggies because that's the order that I go in the store. We just need like our basic essential ones that we need. Meats, we actually don't need eggs right now, but usually we do. Then breakfast, lunch/dinner, like extra stuff that's not in the meats. Snacks, extras, like we need more hot sauce, we need more salsa, stuff like that. And then drinks, pretty much how I organize it in my head. But yeah. Sticking to like the outside of the store so that I get like my fruits and vegetables, my meats, like all my whole foods first, so that I'm not tempted to like just get crackers or something weird. That's my mindset, like always stick to the outside of the store and then go to the inside aisles. Okay, no freaking joke, I just sneezed and almost peed my pants like in the middle of the store. Literally my bladder is so like I will pee pants so easily.
Treat yourself to the natural.
But anyways, so I just now got to the middle of the store instead of the outsides. So I'm gonna show you what I got so far. So right now, like everything, my fruits and vegetables, this Bolthouse Ranch, which is really freaking good. It's like a yogurt dressing. I did get string cheese because that's like my thing now that I'm pregnant. I got regular cheddar cheese, ground turkey. I got one of these guys because I need some new. This is the kind of butter that we get. So it's like Smart Balance olive oil, and it's like a lot better than regular margarine or something like that. I did splurge a little, but I got the tiny one. It's 5 rolls, but cinnamon rolls because me and Randy literally love them on like cheat mornings, like on the weekend or something. Then also like a couple biscuits too, the smallest one, but like it's really good. I also got like milk, coffee, some kombucha, and then cottage cheese too. But yeah, sorry, they said like code 19 and something, so I'm really scared they're talking about me because I'm like hovering over my thing, but we'll see. Literally tastes good on everything. I just want to point out something. This is the first time I've ever freaking seen this. Are you serious? Are you serious? Thanks, sweetie. Huh? Because I'm filming what I get.
How funny.
Okay, so as of right now, this is what's in my fridge. So the top shelf is just mainly the produce, like the spinach, eggs too, carrots for our pot roast that we make, and then like some cupped fruits like pineapple, and then I have peaches, and I do the no sugar added too. And then I had some leftover Jello. I need to get some more. Salsa I was talking about, cottage cheese, this for like pastas and stuff we have left over, and then some tomatoes, skim milk, dark roast coffee, also some new hot sauce. We have the old one too, some kombucha, some creamer, orange juice, applesauce. Then we opened this guy here. So the bagels were buy one get one free, so I got 2, don't judge me. And then yeah, like some cheese, string cheese, some of these guys, some leftover like sausage, bacon, tortillas, things like that, avocado, cucumber. Oh, and then chocolate chip cookies. Yeah. Ignore Randy's freaking Fortnite in the background. Yeah, condiments. Almond milk. I love this creamer. More coffee. More skim milk. Freezer. Oh. Some ground turkey. Some fruit. We obviously need to organize it. Some of these burritos, like the El Monterey burritos. I really like those. Some veggies. More chicken because I'm almost out of that top bag. Chicken patties because Randy likes those. Ravioli. Ground beef. Taquitos because I was feeling funky. Flapjacks. Some roast. For more breakfast, I got some more oats and then also these Kodiak muffins. They're really good. Tostitos chips or the salsa, and then some cereal, more Kodiak cakes, like pancakes and stuff. And yeah, and also of course our cuties because I'm obsessed, and bananas because we always need them.
So thank you guys so much for going grocery shopping with me. I hope you learned a little